Welcome to The Right Slant, where we provide essential insights for new residents of Rhode Island, especially those with a conservative viewpoint. Understanding Rhode Island's gun laws is crucial for responsible firearm ownership, and we're here to guide you through the key regulations. The Rhode Island Constitution, Article 1, Section 22, firmly states that the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. This foundational principle underpins the state's approach to gun regulation, reflecting a commitment to individual liberties. When purchasing a handgun, Rhode Island requires either a license to carry concealed weapons, known as an LCCW, or a blue card from the DM. The Department of Environmental Management, or DM, also manages the firearms safety course, which includes at least 2 hours of instruction. This training is necessary to receive your handgun safety certificate, though local police and active duty military are exempt. You must be at least 21 years of age to purchase the handgun in Rhode Island, and there is a mandatory 7-day waiting period. Rhode Island operates under a hybrid shall issue and may issue system for concealed carry permits. Local authorities shall issue licenses to eligible applicants who are suitable and have a good reason to fear injury or another proper reason. The Attorney General may issue licenses based on a proper showing of need and certification of handgun proficiency. To carry a concealed handgun, you must obtain a Rhode Island license to carry concealed weapons, or LCCW, and complete a firearms training course. Regarding the duty to inform, Rhode Island does not have a specific law requiring you to inform law enforcement officers that you are carrying a concealed firearm. However, some sources suggest it's a good idea to provide your CCW permit with your license if you are pulled over while carrying. Now, let's discuss suppressors. In Rhode Island, suppressors, also known as silencers, are illegal for civilian use. Rhode Island law does not permit suppressors under any civilian circumstance, with no exceptions for hunting or recreational shooting. There is no recognition of federal ATF tax stamps or NFA approval, meaning no lawful civilian workaround for owning or using a suppressor in state. Even if legally purchased elsewhere, you cannot bring a suppressor into Rhode Island. Next, let's cover magazine capacity. Rhode Island has a limit of 10 rounds for semi-automatic firearms. This law went into effect on July 1st, 2022, banning ammunition magazines that carry more than 10 rounds. Anyone found with a high-capacity magazine could face up to 5 years in prison, a serious consequence. A large capacity feeding device is defined as a magazine or other device capable of holding, or readily extended to hold, more than 10 rounds. This applies to ammunition fed continuously and directly into a semi-automatic firearm. Beyond these specifics, there are additional considerations for firearm owners in Rhode Island. You must be 18 years old to purchase a rifle or shotgun, while handguns require you to be 21. Firearms must be stored in a secured or locked container or equipped with tamper-resistant locks. Background checks are required for all firearm transfers, ensuring responsible ownership. Loss or theft of a firearm must be reported to local law enforcement within 24 hours of discovery. With a valid Rhode Island pistol permit, handguns are permitted in vehicles, offering protection on the go. Rhode Island also has a castle doctrine law, affirming your right to self-defense within your home. However, the state also has a red flag law, allowing temporary removal of firearms under certain circumstances. A law enforcement agency may file a petition to enjoin a respondent from possessing or purchasing firearms while an order is in effect. Finally, an assault weapon purchase ban is set to take effect on July 1st, 2026. This law bans the purchase, transfer, manufacture, and sale of legally defined assault weapons within the state, but not their possession. This information is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. Always consult with a qualified legal professional for specific guidance on Rhode Island gun laws. Thank you for joining us on The Right Slant. We hope this overview helps you navigate Rhode Island's gun regulations. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay informed.